Good afternoon, everyone. I am often asked, how do I get my logo in Squarespace on my website to be bigger? So I am here on my website to demonstrate exactly how to do this. So once you've logged into the website, you're going to go into Design. Then you're going to go under Logo and Title and make sure that the logo that you want to appear in your header is uploaded. And here I can confirm that that is uploaded. So we're going to go back down to Site Styles. And one of the great things about Squarespace is as you hover over these different sections, once you're in the style editor, it will then focus in on that section in the styles editor. So right now it's showing all of my site styles. As I'm hovering over these different sections, I get a highlighted blue box. I'm going to come up here and highlight my logo. And then you simply come over here under header and branding. You can adjust. I've got this at 164. You can adjust it accordingly. And it really is that simple. I'm going to put it back to 164. And there you have it, friends. And it does depend on which template you use from template to template. I 99% of the time use the Brine template, so I'm able to accomplish this pretty easily across the board. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.